Hello everyone, this is Nitin from Team Unite. Every year, our Indian industries generates over 1.75 million tons of e-waste. Most of them get piled up or dumped, which eventually poisons our nation. Now you may ask, why don't companies recycle? Well, that is because of one reason. What if someone recovers their sensitive data and the existing wiping solutions are either complex or expensive? That is the real challenge. Now let's see the solution. The solution is where Zero Trace comes in. A simple, secure NIST 800/88 Alien data wiping software. It works both online and offline via a bootable USB drive, ensuring data wiping in remote areas.
Wiping in Zero Trace is of 5 simple steps. First, install our Zero Trace software, which will detect the drives on your computer. And after a quick confirmation, wiping will take place, leaving zero trace of your data's existence. And soon after the wiping part is completed, quick quality checks will take place, ensuring that there is no data left on the drive. And then Zero Trace generates a digitally signed tamper-proof certificate and pushes them into the blockchain network to keep it secure. Now that we have all seen how Zero Trace works, but what makes our software a go-to product? In Zero Trace, after wiping a drive with the user's permission, we link the sanitized drives to the second-hand market. So instead of ending up as a dead product or a toxic hazard, the drives will get a new life. With Zero Trace, Indian industries can reduce e-waste hazards and boost the circular economy and even build trust in recycling. So companies will no longer have the fear of data breaches and even the planet gets cleaner eventually.
And here's the cherry on top thing. Every single time a company wipes and recycles their devices through Zero Trace, they don't just save money, they also save carbon credits. And with these credits, they can showcase their sustainability compliance, boost their ESG scores, and trade their credits in global carbon market. In short, wiping data using Zero Trace isn't just safe, it is also profitable. So to wrap it all up, Zero Trace makes your device 100% reusable and secure. We team Unite with Zero Trace, not only erasing data, we are also erasing the fear of data breach in your device and enabling a greener future. Thank you.